What if I told you that you can learn Premiere Pro in just 5 minutes, even if you never edited before? Shocking, right? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know how to go from opening a project to export your first edit. Let's open our Premiere Pro. And the first step is to create a project. We can open a new project and you can name it whatever you want. My first project. I will type my first project. Think of this like a digital workspace where all of your videos, edits, and the files will stay here. Then we have to import our media. You can either use the import media or you can choose your file and drag and drop it here. It's so easy. To create a sequence, I just have to drag my clip into the timeline. And don't worry about the video settings. It will automatically match with the video. This timeline is where the editing magic happens. Editing is basically choosing the best moments and cut out what we don't need. To cut, you can use the razor tool here, but my recommendation is to use C on your keyboard. It's a shortcut. Here you can press the C, it's automatically cut. And if you want to go back to the normal mode, you can press V on your keyboard and that's it. Then you can select the clip and delete it, select the clip, delete it, select the clip, delete it, and you are done. Then arrange it together and that's it. Successfully cut your videos. Text is important for storytelling. You can add titles, captions, or on-screen messages using the text. Press T and select the video like this. You can type anything. Let's type first edit. Then you have to select any font you have. Then you can choose the color. Like I want the red color. By the way, select the text. Then choose the red color. And increase the font size. Somehow you have lost your text, but you have written. To get to the text, you can press this button and minimize this one. Then it's that the text is here. So you can make it big, press or small. That's up to you. I know the text is not looking good, but let's not focus that. I'm just trying you to teach. Then you can tweak that color or the shape, anything. Music makes your video more interesting. If you have previously downloaded any music, then you can just import it here. This is the music I'm gonna use. I know it's not a good music, but I'm just gonna use it so that we can see how to use this one. We can understand how to use music. You hear that? The music is too much loud. Make sure always the music is lower than the message you are giving in the video. To make the music quieter, you can select the music and in the properties you will find a volume button. So grab the volume button and leave it in the minus. So the music is hearable but not more than the message.
So এই জিনিসগুলো যখন আমি
the music we can't hear right now. So it's too much low. Then we're gonna just tweak it.
মাঝে মধ্যে এতটা লেজি হয়ে যাই।
Not music, I know, but you understand my point, right? Suppose you have completed your editing. Don't judge my video. I'm just trying to teach you how to do that. And now you have to export the video so that you can use it. To export, go to the file and there you will find the export button. Go to export media and export it. That's it. If you export it, you have done. Congratulations. Now you know the basic of Premiere Pro and you can use the Premiere Pro. And if you want to learn anything next, just comment it below. Thank you for watching.